Alright, welcome back, nerds. Alright, I got my bumper support. I'm about to paint this with some rubber coating, and I got the bumper cover, so we're going to be throwing that on today. So yeah, let me get into it. Alright, let's get the paint. It wasn't windy until I started this. It's crazy. I'm high! First it starts raining. Alright, we got the impact bar all painted. It's not looking bad. I might go over it again with another coat. But yeah, there it is. So now I'm going to get under the car and replace the air dam for the car. The old one's looking a little beat up over there. So I'm gonna take that off, bolt the new one up, then bolt the impact bar on. Yeah, hopefully the bumper lines up. I also decided while I'm out here to spray some of that rubber coating underneath the fender wells. Help with the rust and the aesthetic look of it. But yeah, hell yeah. Now I just need that front kind of like splitter that goes underneath the bumper for this car. And that'll make it look a lot better. It should be here soon. So yeah, we're getting there. Definitely need to start looking into some wheels. It's about time. So what the car looks like with a bumper on it now. It doesn't look bad. Starting to get that nostalgic feeling back when I was a teenager driving this thing, but now it comes with a few upgrades. It's actually looking really good. Pretty happy with that. Yeah, until next time.